Alright, we're back. Gonna craft whatever the hell this thing is. Got it. And I got a book with a smiley face on it. Help me. Oh, what do I do with this stick? This is I don't know what I do with it. Got a ladder though. There's some stuff in here. I'll look at that after. Don't know what that is. I thought it was a worm. Wooden pressure plate. Alright, let's read what this is. Click me. I clicked you. YouTube. If you want to have I can't read. I'll look at that later. Oh my god, so much stuff. Okay, half the stuff I don't know what's going on, so I'm just gonna boop 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 in there. Ooh, beer. Can we make a, how do we make a bucket? B-U-C-K. Bucket. Can I make a wooden one? No, it has to be a vine, doesn't it? Damn it. Ooh. Where's the sun? Moon, help me. Sun, help me. Whatever the hell you are, I think you're Mars. Jupiter. Oh, why don't I go back to Earth? Hello. Ruby. Saturn. King Jong-un. Oh, we can make guns. Let's see. Railgun. Oh, this is too advanced for me. Back to wood. Probably not even spelling wood right. What? No. Too complicated for my little mind. What are these things anyway? Oh, I know what that is. That's for the Tinker mod. I don't have pink wood. What can we do? What? Okay, so 2 slabs makes that. Okay, I can do that. Where's my slabs? Oop. Wait, let's look at this thing first. What? Home. Gun world, lightning rod, door. Alright, I'm just gonna look on YouTube for this after. Basically, what you guys are watching right now is 175% noob. Oak plank. Wait, is this just nothing special about it? Ah, so I can change. That's handy. Now if I just throw a slab in there. What's this? Nothing important. Alright. Back to here. Just did that one. Did that one as well. Nope. Nope. What can I make? Wooden stick. Yeah, stick and 2 bits of wood. Yeah, I can do that. Stick. Alright, got a stick. Throw you. Oh, actually, I need you. Throw you away. Stick. And wood, like that. Now what the hell does this thing do? What about that? Oh, what? If I... What just happened? So, I just clicked wood and I got a bunch of wood. I don't know what. Okay, anyway. Back to this. What the sticks? Ah, okay. But what do we just make? That dark. Okay, so just take one. Take one, pass it on. Well, the flip my biscuit sideways. Corn. Damn, I could go for some corn right now. Chair. Make a normal chair. How do I make those? How do I make those? Oh my god, there's so much work to a chair. I need to sit down. Grab some of this. Go to this. And let's just get 5. Let's turn 2 of those into wood. Let's get the sticks. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not 4. 4. Get that. Go to this. Which chair do we want? We'll get this chair. How do we do those? Aha. And now. Wait, what? Redwood. Oh. Can I make it like any other different kind of chair? God. Attempt. Yes! Ah, now we can all sit down. Wooden armor, wooden chair. Now all I need is a wooden bear. I just made that up on the top of my head and everyone's gonna hate me. Oh, no! Rip. Do I respawn up? Oh, I still... Yes, I respawned. Oh, I thought I lost everything. No. 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 No! Oh, we have waypoints? Cool. Anyway, so if I go J... Is this my waypoints? Options. No. Close. Download. No. Oh, here we go. I honestly forgot how to use this. That's not it. Delete. Cancel. How do I do this? I'm just gonna leave. I will contact my friend to help me because I have no bloody idea. Made a chair. I'm not gonna fall off again. That chair is a death trap, I tell you that. How do I get lava? No, lava. Blaze rod. Flip. Is he like... Oh, God. Lovely. They're cool. Anyway. I got my wooden... I don't know what the hell this is, but... It's really... No, it's average. Yeah, let's just... Let's go for the sky. I'm gonna try figure out what to do. So there will be work being done next episode. I'm gonna sit on my chair. Corn. Like, don't subscribe, unsubscribe, subscribe, leave a comment, help me, life, and have a safe and fantastic rest of your day in about 4 seconds.